Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, you're going to be preparing a delicious smoothie that is very simple and yet very nutritious. Here is my plant-based milk. I'm using soy, and here is my bananas. They are frozen, and here is my maple syrup, guys. I've talked about maple syrup, so stick around to know why I'm using maple syrup. And there goes my kiwis. I'm using 3 kiwis for this recipe. I'll start putting my frozen bananas. Yes, bananas aids in weight loss, promotes our skin health, provides us with energy, maintains our heart health, fights anemia, prevents cancer, strengthens our bone, aids our vision. The benefits are endless, guys. Next is our kiwi. Kiwi has antioxidant properties. In fact, kiwi works almost in all the systems of the body. It fights cancer and many other diseases. So the next one here is milk. This milk is a plant-based milk. I'm using soy in this recipe. It's very good. It's good for the environment. It's better than cow milk. It's a good source of protein. So next is our maple syrup. I've been talking lately about maple syrup because it's my newfound love. Before I use honey, but ever since I've found about maple syrup, that's what I've been using. It's my go-to natural sweetener. I'll be putting 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. It helps our immune system, helps with our weight, fights free radicals in our body, enhances our liver function. It has magnesium and zinc. It's very important, guys. If you've not been using maple syrup, please consider getting one and try it and let me know what you think. So guys, we are going to blend away.